Hey, welcome to Nissan Nut YouTube channel. On this episode, we're going to do something different. We're going to talk about some tools. Special thanks to Fab Heavy Parts for sending me out some clamps to try out. Let me give you a little history on my experience with woodworking. I've been doing woodworking projects probably since I was like 10 years old. My dad taught me how to use hacksaw, jigsaw, circle saw, miter saw, table saw, that kind of stuff. But one thing he never really stressed wasn't until I got into junior high school, I think it was like 7th or 8th grade, woodworking class. I really learned the importance of clamps, clamping your work before you drill, sand, router, cut, whatever, nail. Clamping your work to the table or clamping your work together just makes things more precise and most importantly safer. Nothing worse than drilling a hole in something and having the work spin around and you like a propeller and knock you. So that's where I learned the importance of clamps. Was in junior high school. Ever since I've been older, I've been making lots of woodworking projects. I'll show you some pictures of some beds I've made for my kids. A bunch of desks I've made out of steel and wood. I'll probably show you some pictures of those. But the only way to do those is you got to have a lot of clamps, a lot of good clamps to keep things square and true, especially when you're building one side at a time. So that's why I'm really excited to check out these new clamps because they're really a good size for what I do. I love making stuff out of wood. I make picture frames for my wife's artwork. I'll show you one of those I just made. I make bookcases, desks, and obviously workbenches around the garage. I've built sheds, but I don't really use clamps too much on the sheds. I built quite a few sheds, stuff like that. Anyways, let me show you these. Let me open up this box and show it to you. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe down below if you want to see more videos. This one's a little bit different. It's a tool video. Box is a little open. A little unboxing here. A little ready. Instructions. Got stuck to the label. Alright, so here's some Fab Heavy Parts clamps I just got. I just used them to make a little frame, do some art, cut some wood and nail it together, but these clamps worked really good to keep it nice and square while I clamped it up. These things are pretty heavy duty, very easy to adjust. Pretty cool feature, you can actually just, unlike other clamps, you don't need to push a button or anything. You can just tighten them up like that. When you loosen them up and you can use the handle and slide them back. So you can just slide them back like that. Very easy. Another cool feature, let me get this thing out of here and I'll show you something cool. So the cool thing about this is it came with these blocks that help you get it nice and square. So that's one nice thing. Another cool thing about these blocks is that they come with these pins, and there's two different heights of the pins. And you can screw these in the bottom of these blocks. Out here. See on the bottom, you can screw this pin in here. And if you have a jig table, which I'm going to get next, like a welding cart that has the pins, you can drop those in there. Pretty cool, and like I said, two different heights. Another cool thing I haven't seen on other clamps is these little load, like for your work. You can put these on here. It comes with two with each clamp, and they just pop on, and that way your work can sit on here instead of right on the bar. You can optionally use them either way. Another cool feature I haven't seen on another clamp is there's dimensions on here. On these clamps actually got inches. I'm assuming these are inches. Yeah, there's inches on the clamp itself. So when you're locking it up, you can actually set it to that dimension. It's a lot of new features. I haven't seen any other clamps. But yeah, thanks again for Fab Heavy Parts for sending these to me to try them out. I'll put a link in the description down below. Here's the part number that I'm using. There's the box. And where's the instructions? Just put these blocks down. They're in different ways. These blocks have got a deep side and a shallow side. So you put the deep ones horizontally and the other ones vertically. Just put these in the top slots. Like I said, you can either use these or you can remove them. Either way. So there's your clamps. Put them all the way out. And put your work in here. And just slide the handle. Very easy. Just snug them up. There you go. Now your work's all clamped. I can nail it, screw it, whatever. Very easy to use. Here's everything you get in this kit. You got two 24-inch long clamps and two 40-inch long clamps. You get two little locks on the end that also have a threaded bolt on the end. I guess you could put on those pins to raise it up. And then these clamps, oh, so you got the 4 clamps and they get these blocks. So you can see how I had it earlier where you can get things nice and square. Very nice to have, which is also raisable. Looks like you can also mount it to a table or something. You got all these pins. So you got 8 pins, 2 different heights. And you got these little clamp spacers to keep your work off of the clamps if you need to. And yeah, I think that's everything. And of course, instructions. The other cool thing is these clamps, because it's actually a double-ended. The end here, it's got a nice protective surface here and here. You can use this as a spreader clamp. You can take it off and flip it on, put it on upside down, and now you can spread something apart. You know, if you're trying to get like a bookcase or something nice and square, you can put this in there and clamp it, squeeze it. Sometimes, especially working with wood or metal, you need to push it one way or the other before you glue it, nail it, screw it, whatever. So that's very cool. Oh, here's a picture of what I just did in the book. There's our spreader clamps. So yeah, it comes with a lot of stuff all ready to go. Thanks again for sending me this Fab Heavy Parts. Check out the link in the description down below, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more videos.